Marie Kellett here from OKSealer.com, a division of OK International. Today we're here to show you our Super Sealer gas flush air evacuation system. This system comes with a Super Sealer, the gas flush air evacuation probe, a BBY, motorized pedestals, and a mobile base with locking casters, so you can move it anywhere you want in the plant. This unit is made out of stainless steel or aluminum. Also what it comes with is motorized pedestals. So the sealer can go up or down with a touch of a button. The conveyor can go up or down with a touch of a button. Also, gas flush air evacuation can go up or down with a touch of a button. Also, it plugs into any wall unit. You do need air, compressed air for this, and of course gas if you do gas flushing. I've got this on 5-second gas flush. Probe goes in, super easy. And we suck the air out. This was sealed on a Super Sealer SB20. Oh my goodness, there is no air in this. This is wonderful. Now, you have to understand how this works is this probe comes down, runs the track, and then goes back ready for the next bag. So the bigger your bag is, the slower it goes. So this machine can go probably in a bag this size, around 8 to 10 bags a minute. If you start getting to, like, for example, half this size, we could probably go up to like 12 bags a minute. It's basically what's taking your time is coming down and going back. And when you gas flush, it even takes more time because you got to switch over to the gas and then back to the air. So therefore, you're in the 8 to 10 bag range. We're gonna air evacuate right now. Super easy. Now what you see there when in this video, since we're close up, is you see an eye here. You see this eye. This eye can be used in case you don't want to use the foot pedal. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna air evacuate, gas flush, air evacuate. So, I've got this at I'm air evacuating right now. Now I'm putting gas in at about 3 seconds of gas, and then I'm air evacuating. So you can depend on how you want to do it. This particular one, I put more gas in so it's not really super tight, it's got more gas in. Your timer is what it is. You want to put more gas in, more of it, less of it air evacuation, or more evacuation, just a little bit of gas. That can all be determined on the timer. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna air evacuate, and we're putting gas in right now, gas going in, and then we just a little bit of air evacuation at the end. Okay, right now what we're gonna do is all gas. This is 5 seconds worth of gas. So we get a really puffy bag, a lot of gas in it. Again, sealed on the Super Sealer SB20. Thank you so much for watching our video and looking at our gas flush air evacuation system. We so look forward to working with you. Thank you.